Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share this cute beautiful earring. So let's get started. Okay, so for this earring we need crochet hook size of 0.60 mm, then fabric glue, then 2 pearl cotton thread, this is 2 ply thread, and scissor, needle, and white color pearl beads, and these are the earring material I need. And also I need earring peeler and cutter also. Okay, so let's start it. So for at first I'll make that small flower with this orange color thread. So at first we'll make magic ring, then we'll make 2 chain, 1 and 2 second chain. Okay, now we'll make 3 double crochet. So first double crochet done, second one, okay, then third one, okay. Now we'll make 2 chain, and now we'll make slip stitch. So our first petal is done. Like that we'll make 3 petal more. Second petal I also showing you how I am doing. So the same way, 2 chain done. Now 1 double crochet, then second double crochet, then third double crochet, then now we'll make 2 chain and again slip stitch. Okay, so like that rest of the 2 also I'll do. Okay, so here you can see last 2 also done. So now I just keep it tight and see my flower is done. Now you just cut the thread. Now we'll insert these small beads with the pin, and we'll cut the extra pin with the cutter, and you can fix the extra thread with the pin as it will not get out. So here I have put 2 knots, then I'll apply a glue also. So here I am cutting the extra pin. Now you just curve the pin like that, use it, pin it. Okay, now we'll work with the beads. For this one we use that green color thread. So at first I have made that magic ring, then you do at first I'll make 1 chain. Now we'll make 6 single crochet. Okay, so here our 6 single crochet is done. Now we'll tie the knot, then we'll make a slip stitch on the first chain. Now after slip stitch we'll start the second round. So in the second round we'll make 2 single crochet in each stitch. As you can see on the first stitch I am showing that 1 single crochet done, then we'll make the second single crochet on the same stitch. So rest of the stitches also I'll do 2 single crochet. So at the end of this round you will get total 12 single crochet. Okay, so guys, if you have any doubt in any section, then you please comment me on the comment section, and if you like, then please do subscribe my channel, like my videos, and please do share with your friends. Okay, so as you can see my first round, second round is also finished. Now as here I have used the that rest of the thread as a stitch marker. You can use a proper stitch marker. So now on the third round I have made 1 single crochet in each stitch. So here also you will get total 12 stitches. As my beads is small, so that's why only 12 stitches is enough to make the round. Okay, so 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so this is the round 4. In round 4 also we make 1 single crochet in each stitches. 1 Okay, now in this round also I'll make 1 single crochet in each stitches. So we'll come back after this round. Okay, now you can see I'm inserting the beads through the loop, as it will fix it. Okay, like that, otherwise it will move well and you can't. Actually I'm going to insert the ear pin inside that beads, so you need to fix the thread here. Okay, so now we'll make, in this round we'll make one single crochet, means on the first stitch one single crochet, then on we'll make one decrease. So I think you know decrease. If you don't know, then you can see my previous videos, any amigurumi videos, otherwise I'm telling you. So now at first, on the first stitch you just take the thread like this, then next stitch also, then you together you just put the thread. Again you can see one, I am taking the thread through the stitch, then on the next thread also, next stitch also, then put the thread towards the two loops like that. So in this round, at first stitch do one single crochet, then on the next you do decrease. Okay, now after that we'll make, okay, now I just cut the thread. Now with the needle I'll do the rest of the things. Okay, now I just tie all the stitches. See how I am doing. First one, then again on the next stitch insert the needle and tie it. Like that, in each stitch you just insert the needle and tie the thread, and last you just cut the extra thread. So here you can see I just make the knot and I'm fixing the thread. So now you can cut the extra thread. Now I'll insert the ear pin. I just cut the thread. Now you can sorry, this one is the eye pin, not ear pin. Okay, so here also on both sides I'll put some glue to fix. Here I am just putting the glue to fix the thread with the pin, and the back side also I'll apply little bit of glue here also. I already made this three flower, so like that you just insert the three. Okay, after inserting I'll apply some glue. Okay, now we'll insert one golden color beads. I'll insert the golden color beads. Now here you can put some glue. Here I am applying glue, otherwise it will move. Now I am just curve the pin, extra pin, and I'm making one hook. Okay, as it is a little bit loose, that flower and the beads, so I'll apply some glue. You can see both sides you can apply, and each of the flower on the edges of the flower you just put some glue, then press with the finger. Okay, like that. So it is almost done. Now the ear hoop I'll apply. I'll fix it. You can see it is done. How is it? Okay, if you guys like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. So thank you.